everybody. This is BMP Media Plumbing Group's Mike Miazga. We're here at the jam-packed 2018 AHR Expo in Chicago, here at NIBCO's booth today. And NIBCO has a bevy of new products on display, including their copper pressed fittings and valves, their new PERT radiant system, and we'll also take a look today at their FLO-BOSS balancing valves.
My name is Marilyn Morgan, and I'm a Senior Product Manager with NIBCO. I'm here today to talk about NIBCO's extensive product line of press fittings, valves, and tools. NIBCO has the broadest line of valves in the industry with over 600 SKUs. A key configuration includes our press by PEX ball valve. That includes both the cold expansion F1960 style and the crimp F1807 style. Other configurations include our press by union ball valves. That includes both threaded, solder, and press ends. And other configurations include press by thread and then press with a bleed. On the fitting side, we're here to launch our new product line of extended press adapters and extended press repair couplings. We have been manufacturing press fittings in the United States since 1937, and our press copper fittings are proudly manufactured in Stewart's Draft, Virginia. You can find our press products in our BIM catalog.
Hi, I'm Tom Coe, and I'm the Flexible Piping Systems Product Manager for NIBCO. I'm here today to talk to you about PERTpro, which is our latest piping product. It is the next generation of flexible tubing for radiant heating. What's key about this product is its flexibility. It is more flexible than PEX, which really helps out installers when they're making loops in the floor. It's also a green product. It has a lower carbon footprint than PEX, and it's completely recyclable.
Hi, my name's Carl Bachor, and I'm the Technical Product Engineer for NIBCO Balancing Controls. Today I'd like to talk to you about our new 1805 valve. What's unique about this valve is that it is competitively priced and has the quality that you might expect from NIBCO. Some unique features of this valve is that it is both DZR brass and lead-free brass. So you can have one valve that will handle all applications. This valve is available in sizes from 1/2 to 2 inch, and we can accommodate any type of connection size that you might require. We can do sweat, we can do press, we can do male pipe thread, we can do female pipe thread. So this valve has a lot of flexibility with it. Also, this valve has what we call a fixed orifice in it, and this valve has an accuracy of plus or minus 2 to 3%. So we have a high degree of accuracy, we have a great degree of flexibility where we can install this valve anywhere in the building, in potable applications or in process applications. If you need any information about any of our NIBCO products, please go to nibco.com. Thank you for stopping by.